high quality blue chip muscle cars? If you do, the 56th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana is the place to be. We have one of the blue chip muscle cars that's on everyone's list, and I'm standing right beside it. This is a 1971 Dodge Hemi Challenger. It is not just any Dodge Hemi Challenger. This car is one of, if not the best one in the world. And that's a strong statement because it's true. This is a numbers matching, 4-speed, shaker hood, Dana 60, original sheet metal, killer restored 71 Hemi Challenger. It ticks all the boxes. Of course, there's only 59 4-speed cars built. There are 10 factory shaker cars. Only 5 were built for export. This car is in a special order color, which, as you can see, is spectacular. The thing I really love about this car is it was sent to Jeff Snyder, Jeff's Resurrections in Taylor, Texas, right outside of Austin. There are restorers and restoration shops, and then there are the best in the world, and Jeff is that. The attention to detail, the quality, and the finished product is equal to or greater than any in the nation. His cars are spectacular, and this car is no exception. You can crawl all over this front to back, top to bottom, and realize it is one of the finest restored Hemi Challengers in the world. Get registered to bid if you want to bid on this and other great muscle cars right here at Cruise Auctions Labor Day weekend. We'll see you at the auction.